lah ya, untuk give some idea. Ni is dia macam contoh soalan untuk you punya test ataupun final exam lah. Because ISP550 ni tak ada final, tak silap saya, tak ada final, cuma ada test, isn't it? You ada test kan? Tak ada final kan? Lupa dah saya sebab banyak sangat subjek aja.
I think we do.
You have final exam Dia bukan based solely
Yes,
on the project. Soalan yang lebih kurang macam ni lah yang akan ditanya dalam final exam ya. Some principle of the subject khusus tu and at least we cover them just to revise back. In fact, this topic are also being covered in other courses as well. Maksudnya bila you nak jawab ni, it will be helpful to revise balik courses yang macam you ambil hari tu, ISP500 kan, pasal information system, that will be helpful as well. Okay, tengok balik soalan. Let me share with you the question. Okay, tutorial kedua. Tutorial kedua is about you have to refer to slide 13 and 18 of topic 2. Aside from the points discussed, so dalam topik 2, slide 13 discuss on the business drivers, and then slide 18 discuss on technological drivers, that force the company, ataupun not to say force lah, the drivers that influence the company to develop information system or invest in information system, what are needed, that impact, that give kita kata influence for the company to secara voluntarily ataupun secara paksa rela, for the company to invest into information system. So kita tengok balik slide 13 dan slide 18 just to refresh back your memory.
Puan, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
There are some students that are having internet issues and they are requesting you to record the session.
Okay. Thank you for your notification. Sekejap.
Alright.
Saya memang patutnya saya record kan, but most of the time I would forget that. Sekejap, kat mana? Record. Okay, let's share back the slide. Tengok balik slide. Dah mana pula. Saya buka balik slide chapter topik 2. Okay, I have a bit of problem. Sekejap.
Ada kelas ke? Ayo.
Kejap ya. I'm having problems. Kejap. Kenapa dia tak nak share my PDF? Hold on ya. Okay, dah ada. Okay, can you see the topic 2 slide that I've just opened?
Yes.
Yes, we
Got,
can.
yeah? Okay, so let's go to, topic 2 is about information system development. So by right, when you finish this topic, you should be able to identify the different kinds of players. Yeah, players maksudnya those who involve dalam information system. They can be the people who use, yeah, the people who make sure that the information systems in existence, yeah, somebody who actually have the authority to say, okay, we are going to need this information system. Somebody has to develop the system. Okay, so orang yang ada kuasa untuk mewujudkan sistem, there's another one person ataupun one group of people. Itu pun kita panggil player dalam information system development lah. And then people who find the system, sometimes it can be the different people who authorize the system to be in existence. Yeah. And then there ada somebody who develop the system. Okay, tapi kalau yang develop pun dia ada different kind of role. Yeah. There are people who before the systems are able to be developed, there ada some kind of kita panggil rules that are required to understand about the system, see what's the problem, what's the business problem and what kind of system that the company would require. Ada itu macam business analyst. And then you have analyst or programmer yang akan hard coded the system. And then ada designer, ada apa lagi? The orang yang buat testing, dan ada orang yang buat document. Sometimes it can be different people all together. And then of course ada yang guna sistem, and then the user of the system pun ada different kind of user. So dekat sini, this topic they differentiate that every players dalam the context of information system development. So kalau development ni daripada beginningnya, daripada permulaan sebelum sistem tu wujud, the problem associated towards the reason for the existence of the information system, and then the proposal, nak propose information system tu, what are required, ada people in charge of that, and then when information system tu started to be developed, there will be a group of people, and then the system dah siap, then there will be another group of people that are going to use the system. So ini dalam topik ni dia differentiate between all of them. So by right you should know how to differentiate them. Okay, and dalam topik ni juga it also describe to you the drivers. The drivers that mean what influence the information, what influence the company to invest into information system. Dia macam the reasons for information system. And in this topic dia pecahkan kepada two categories of drivers. One is the business drivers, business reasons, and the other one is technological reason, ataupun kita kata bukan reason, drivers ni macam factors yang melonjakkan keperluan information system, factors that drive the information system to be in existence. There's business drivers and there's technological drivers. So dalam slide ni, we already identify some of the drivers. Tapi it's not limited to these factors alone. Ada banyak lagi. If you can do reading from the internet, from the Google, you might find more other reasons, more other drivers, business ataupun technological. But apart from this, apart from globalization, electronic commerce, security and privacy, collaboration, knowledge asset management, continuous improvement, NTQM, business process design, there are more others. Okay, you boleh cari dalam Google, ataupun you can have some context that can help you to identify what could possibly be other factors. Ya, so kita nak tengok macam mana nak cuba cari other reasons, ya. What kind of tools that you can use instead of you don't want to use the internet, you tak nak guna Google, dan you nak guna cara yang you pernah belajar sebelum ni. What are the business model yang you dah belajar sebelum ni? Okay. Saya bagi dulu examples of how you can make use of the model yang you pernah belajar, business model, dalam kelas-kelas terdahulu, ya. And that business model can help you put into reference, ya, on finding a way to find some other business drivers or technological drivers, ya, untuk jawab soalan ni. Ya, kita balik ke soalan. Right. So sekarang kita cuba tengok the business driver dulu. Business drivers related to company punya okay. Business drivers. Kalau dalam you punya ISP500 dulu, we did mention that dalam company, in a company, yeah, a company exists in an environment, yeah. So company X, so for example, it exists dalam satu environment, and the next very close to the company is the industries punya environment. And then in a bigger picture, this company reside dalam environment yang lebih besar, a bigger environment that put the company into perspective, ya. For example, kita boleh panggil sebagai in a global context, ya. If you're looking at a company that exists globally, ya, ataupun kita boleh kata kalau a local company, it can be a national punya perspective, ya, the outer layer of the environment. So businesses, ya, not only that they are influenced by the industry to them, but also they are influenced by their internal operation. Internal operation. Yeah, company are also influenced by their operations. Yeah, operation yang dia ada dalaman, units yang dia ada, functions yang dia ada, resources yang dia ada. Yeah, how much money that they have, how many expertise that they have. Yeah, the resources tu semuanya give influence to the company's punya operations, the company's survival. Yeah, so maknanya the influence on the company well-being is actually coming from the inside and of course from the outside as well, right? So kalau you nak cari factors that can influence the company in the context of information system, you can start by looking at this overall picture. Yeah. So kalau daripada luar, ya, there are contoh macam kita kata pest analysis, ya. Pest analysis, some of you mungkin come across this in some other classes, ya. Mungkin ada, mungkin tak ada, tapi saya just introduce, ya. Pest analysis is actually an environment analysis that company may use to evaluate dia punya environment, ya. P stands for political, ya. E stands for the economic, S stands for the sociological or society, and then T stands for the technology, right? So the influence that the environment has on the company may come politically, politically, ya. So you mungkin boleh tengok ada tak the drivers something to do with politics that become the reason for company to invest into information system, ya, to have information system. Dari segi ekonomi of course, ya. Yeah, of course. Competing against other rivals, ya, because rivals they duduk dalam environment, ya, the rivals. Yeah, so competition with the rivals actually becoming one of the reason. Yeah, competitions with the rival become one of the reason, yeah, so that they can survive. Yeah, survive. That means to survive, company needs to compete. To compete, they have to have information system because, yeah, one way of having competitive advantage is by having information system, right? Okay, dari segi social, ya, social, adakah environment, ya, socially influence the company somehow? Yes, sometimes kita boleh kata the customer behavior, customers ataupun potential customers, ataupun kita kata the consumers, ya. The consumers is quite different from customer actually, ya. Consumers are the overall people who make up this force, yeah, that dictate on the trend dalam industry. Yeah. They can be your the company's customer, or they might not be the customers of the company, but they are part of consumers. Yeah. And consumer punya demand, that part of the S ni tadi ni, yeah, they can dictate on whether or not a company will require an information system. Yeah. And consumer di sini, customer di sini, right? And another perspective ialah customer yang duduk dalam industri. Yeah, customer, the market. Yeah, in the market there are customer, there are your potential customer, there are not customer. That means that customer won't be your customer, but they are your rivals customer. And then there's potential customer and there's existing customer, right? So customer may play a role as well to influence information systems existent dalam company, ya. The way that you can make your customer happy, yeah. You wanted to be closer to your customer, you have to have a good relationship with your customer, you might need an information system, yeah. So lately or currently, that's what companies do, yeah. They're becoming closer to the customer because due to the existence of the information system, yeah. Ada sistem yang allow-kan customer to get closer to the business, right? Apa lagi yang di luar sini dalam industri selain rival dengan customer ataupun dekat luar sana that you can identify? Anyone? Industry?
Collaboration between industry?
Yes, that means you have another industry here, yeah. Dalam the outer layer, you have industry Y and industry Z. Yeah, a company in industry Z might want to collaborate with company in industry Y. Ya, contohnya ini mungkin industri entertainment. Yeah, and then this industry mungkin industry tourism industry. Yeah, so they wanted to collaborate. How can they possibly do collaboration? With the existence of systems, kan? Good, yeah, collaboration. Yeah, inter-industry. Lagi? Ada lagi? Kalau dalam industri yang sama, you have rivals, you have customer, who are other stakeholder dalam industri yang sama? Apa lagi? Kalau you tengok value change yang besar tu, ya, value change of a company comes from another value chain daripada luar, passing the value to the customer. Yang ni customer, ni value chain tak cantik lah saya punya lukisannya. This is the company. Where does their value comes from?
Supplier, is it?
Yes, correct. Here we have suppliers. Very good. Yeah, we have suppliers in the industry. Yeah, sometimes companies, they wanted to have some kind of integration. So integration requirements between one company with their suppliers would require information system. So nak integratekan business processes between supplier dengan company tersebut, ya, the most convenient way of doing it now is through the information system. Yeah, so lagi satu ialah integration, collaboration, and then fulfilling customer demands. Yeah, that's additional drivers yang you boleh put into context kalau melihat daripada environment. And another thing, tadi saya kata dalam company, satu company, ya, what can influence the company may come from external macam kita buat sekarang, dan juga may also be influenced by the company's punya internal. Whatever that the company has, the resources that the company has can actually influence the company to acquire information system. So kalau nak melihat the internal of the organisation, the best way to do this is by using a value change model. Tapi yang kita tengok individual. Tadi saya lukis untuk change yang untuk all the in the supply change kan. Yang ni kita nak tengok one value change untuk one company. You already know these are the support and these are the primary. These are the function dalam company, ya. And these are the value that they create to pass it to the next in the change, in the supply chain, ya. That is the customer lah dekat sini. Now, dalam ni, they would require value daripada luar passing to the company. Ya, bila masuk dekat company, company akan proses and to produce sama ada product or services kepada customer dia. So function dalam company, contohnya dekat primary we have a few different company will have a different function, tapi altogether some basic yang sama. Contohnya macam we have a operational, kalau dia something to do with manufacturing, ada kita panggil marketing, ada sales, and then dia ada logistik, and then dia akan ada customer service. Ini adalah kita panggil conventional company. Tapi kalau servicing company, dia mungkin tak ada operational, dia mungkin tak ada logistik, tapi yang dia ada lebih kepada dia punya innovation punya department, dia ada marketing and sales, dia ada customer service, dia ada development punya department, untuk ICT punya kind of a company. So you kena ubah sedikit lah. Yang kita tengok sekarang ni adalah conventional company, manufacturer. Right. So dekat sini ada function lain juga, function yang support the primary, function yang support primary. Contoh macam HR, we have IT. IT di sini untuk conventional company, IT support function. Tapi kalau ICT, IT tu dia akan break down into different functions altogether. Okay. IT yang jaga bahagian infra, unit yang jaga bahagian infra, unit yang jaga bahagian network, unit yang jaga bahagian support, so different of IT functions tu akan di break down into different primary units lah kalau dalam ICT types of company. Yang ni saya cakap conventional. So bila conventional company ni usually IT adalah support, right? And then we have accounting, okay, and the rest lah maybe R&D here. Okay, and ada banyak lagi. So this is the basic template untuk value change model. Kalau you tengok dekat sini, you can see already some points dalam these functions dalam company, yang boleh bantu you untuk jawab soalan tutorial tu. So kalau you tengok dekat sini, for example, you look at this department. the operations department, they need information system for operational efficiency. So operational efficiency of the company becoming the driver for the existence of information system dalam company tersebut. Right? Here, marketing and sales, they would require data analytic capabilities. Data analytic capabilities, so that provided by the information system, so that they'll be able to produce a very accurate decision making. So nowadays people are talking about making good decision making, accurate prediction in the future. So these are the reasons why companies would want to have information system, because information system nowadays, they can provide these capabilities. Ada AI, ada element of IoT. So that those capabilities are actually providing the efficiency, bukan efficiency saja, the accuracy kepada businesses. Sini, customer service. They want to have the reason for information system ialah for them
Thank
to
you,
have a
madam.
customer intimacy. So the need for customer intimacy required by this department will actually would push the department to request such information system to be established dalam company. So samalah. So kalau you tengok overall ni sebenarnya, and the utmost reason why information system are sought after by companies adalah sebenarnya untuk survival. Organizational survival. They wanted to survive in their operation, beginning from the logistics sampailah customer service, for them to be able to produce goods and services and deliver them to the customer. That's, we are talking about survival of the company. They will also require them, the processes, to be supported by information system. Not only supported, transacted through information system. So ini saya tunjuk how, if you don't want to rely on Google to find the answer, you may use these two things that you have learned from previous classes. Model ni, yang ni environmental punya gambaran, picture, the environment of how the company sit or being influenced by the industry and the outer environment tu. You boleh tengok the context, talking about the inter-organizational and punya collaboration semua ni. You can see it in this picture, dan you boleh nampak the players in the industry that can actually influence how company operates. So that influence can be helpful to be supported by information system. Yang ni daripada external, dan you boleh guna juga diagram value change model untuk help you to find the answer for tutorial tu. So boleh nampak lah what possibly could be the two additional factors that you can come up with. So coming back to the question, refer to slide 13 dan 18. So kita tengok balik slide tadi, dan saya nak tanya if anyone would have a answer untuk soalan tutorial. Let's see. Mana tadi? Okay. Now here are the drivers, the identified drivers from the slide. Okay, anyone would like to add to this? Tambah lagi tak? Tadi saya dah brief sikit kan? Ada siapa nak tambah dekat sini? Saya nak lagi 4.
Puan, I added my answer in the chat
Okay.
and also the Google Classroom.
Okay. Oh, saya ni tak berapa mahir Google Classroom, tapi let's figure out. Wow, okay, panjang, bagus. Panjang. Adham jawab, Kamaru jawab ya. Adam cakap suppliers. Oh, tadi untuk soalan tadi ya. Kamaru said financial restraint due to COVID pandemic. Okay, good. The public has been ordered to reduce social movement and encouraged to stay in their homes to reduce the spread of the virus. This in return minimize the amount of clients or potential buyers to make purchases from typical brick and mortar businesses. Right. In addition, a significant decline in revenue forces these businesses to shut down. Correct, yeah. The owners of those businesses had to find another way of allowing the public to purchase their product. Thus, they had to integrate their business to an existing online platforms such as Shopee, Facebook, Lazada, or their own customer e-commerce platform. Right? Good. Yeah, this is a kind of answer that we want. Yeah, based on experience and general knowledge. Macam saya kata tadi, of course you can just Google and find the answer, but it might not be meaningful because you don't write it from your own words. Yeah. Okay. Good. So maksudnya you're talking about due to the environment that is happening, the global pandemic, it forces companies to find solution to that restriction on getting clients and customers. Yeah, so they resorted to go online. Yeah, go for social network punya businesses. Right? Betul. And business driver number 2, so saya tulis di sini sebagai the current pandemic ya. Okay. And then second, competition between businesses as more brick and mortar businesses are going into the online platform. The rest of the businesses that have not made the decision to go online are slowly losing the market. Since the public are making their purchases online, the online businesses are getting the most revenue compared to existing brick and mortar. Yeah, betul. This factor forces the remaining businesses to migrate to the online platform in order to win back the market. Ya, ini maksudnya macam saya kata paksa rela. They may not have the capacity to go online. They may not have the expertise. They may not have the knowledge. Ya, mungkin dia tak ada orang yang staff dia yang tahu pasal online dan dia sendiri pun tak tahu. And they don't have the resources, macam have to go untuk go online tu nak kena ada some kind of money lah ya, some seed money to establish the online existence ya, but they are forceful to do that. And that's why you see that governments are trying to help in a way to push these people, these businesses, especially the entrepreneur, the sole proprietor, for them to establish online existence, bagi seed money, that's what kita you seen that grant from the government given to entrepreneurs, 3,000 to 5,000, just for them to get started with online business, So kalau government tak provide this grant, the support, probably we can say that partial of them are able to survive, sebab going online is not as easy as you think of, kita orang IT kita tahu, but for some entrepreneurs, they never know, they know about the thing, but just to get their businesses ready for that too, it will require them time and money. Time tu sebenarnya untuk company adalah duit juga. Instead of dia habiskan masa dia nak belajar pasal macam mana nak put all the things, nak describe dia punya produk dalam Shopee, macam mana nak uploadkan semua maklumat gambar. Instead dia gunakan masa tu untuk dia personally selling dia produk kan. So that's what we mention about the constraint of the company. That's why money can help them to resolve some of the thing lah. So dia boleh outsourcekan on that thing kepada third party untuk tolong dia buat ni lah, arrange for the online punya arrangement tu. Ya, sebab kalau dekat Shopee pun it's not easy. It's not like ABC ya. You put your product there, you describe your product, you masukkan description, voila, your product are sellable. No, ya, because in Shopee, in Lazada, there are business model yang that would require the businesses in there to compete among them to get whole of customer punya view. Yeah, in Lazada for example, if you want the customer to view you punya, bila customer search for product, if you want your product to be on the top of the search punya hits, nak 10 yang teratas, bukannya yang ke 235. There's some kind of a trick that you have to do. Dia ada banyak. Satu trick ni ialah bayar lah. But if you want to, if you don't want to pay, you can, because dalam Lazada and Shopee they provide some kind of a fair competition. You don't have to pay, but you make sure that the way that you describe you punya product punya nama, the description that you put in the product description, the completeness of all information that you put dalam product description tu is very important. Kalau you main sambil lewa je, letak je apa dan you tak tahu pun teknik-tekniknya, chances that when people search product that is related to your product, you punya produk tu akan appear pada nombor yang mungkin page yang ke-10. Right? So that kind of skills sebenarnya ada diajar, tapi does the entrepreneur have the time to time or money lah, sebab benda-benda macam tu kena pergi belajar kan, berguru. So nak berguru tu sometimes money, for courses yang macam tu kadang-kadang few hundreds would require, bukan sekali pergi beratus, tapi kalau 5 kali you kena attend, it will take you about thousands kan. So itulah maksudnya when government are giving the seed money is for these entrepreneurs to have the room untuk dia belajar, dan juga dia ni lah ada ni lah, sebab kalau macam kita yang orang IT ni kita dah tahulah kan, so mungkin kelebihan kita, tapi not all have IT punya skills untuk tahu macam mana nak guna social network for businesses. Okay, good. First one, current pandemic. The second one, the answer would be intense competition. Intense competition. So nak tak nak, dia terpaksa jugalah, paksa rela sebenarnya. Right. Okay. Yes, betul Kamarul. You can create your own ads in Shopee. That's how Shopee are making money actually. Dia punya business model ialah memang dia allow a platform for businesses to sell their product, a marketplace, and when you put your product, dia ada commission for every product yang customer beli, portion akan pergi ke Shopee. But on top of that, Shopee juga encourage people, businesses to put up ad. So bila you put up ad, dia akan bagi weightage kepada produk you, sebab bila orang search, produk you akan dibawa ke atas. So dia macam nampak tak fair, tapi when you're talking about business, that's how they how people do ni lah, business. Ada duit semua boleh jalan. Right. Lagi, I need lagi 2 on business punya drivers. Okay, Hasif kata time and cost savings. As technology advances, it is realized that using information system will reduce cost of some operations in business and also time. Correct. For example, online platforms reduce the need to meet with clients physically and reduce the cost and time to deal with clients. Same goes to supplier. Very correct. Memang betul. Time and cost saving. So kat sini ya. Okay, time and cost saving. Okay, ada lagi satu Hasif ke ada lagi yang nak tambah? Ada lagi yang nak tambah? Anyone? Saya tengok ada nama kat depan saya ni. Marina. Marina ada? Ada nak tambah Marina? Boleh guna je yang saya dah bagi dalam slide yang saya conteng-conteng tadi. The same one. We can put it here. Saya dah bagi hint dalam slide tu. Recycle je yang saya dah bagi dekat slide tadi tu untuk kita letak dekat slide ni. Okay, Azim kata new product and services. Entrepreneur will try new business idea to compete with their competitors. Buang tanda tanya. Betul dah tu. Buang tanda tanya Azim. Right. Creation of creation of new innovation lah ya. Kita kata innovation of product and services. Nama apa benda ni? Innovations of product and services. They wanted to compete, they come up with new product, they come up with new services, and that innovations can be simplified ataupun can be enhanced with the use of information system. Okay. Okay, dah cukup 4 kan? Ada banyak lagi lah macam saya sebut tadi ya, integration between supplier and business, integration will require them to have information system, and then somebody tadi saya tak ingat siapa tadi sebut pasal collaborations, collaborations between industry, collaboration between key partners dalam industri yang sama, different industry ke, right? Okay, there's some other additional business driver and actually kalau you Google memang lagi banyak sebenarnya ya. And in fact kalau you refer balik dekat buku teks ISP550 dulu ya, Introduction to Information System pun ada jawapan untuk ni. Right now I want to go to the technological ni sikit je lah sebab saya rasa you all memang tahu banyak yang you boleh letak di sini kan. Okay, technology drivers. Kat sini dia nampak macam sikit je kan, dia cakap pasal network, dia cakap pasal mobile, object technology untuk buat object oriented punya development kan, and then collaborative technology, enterprise application. What kind of other application required? Banyak ni sebenarnya, especially on your area, tak ada masuk pun kat sini ya. Apa dia lagi? Boleh tambah lagi apa? Besides the 5, apa lagi? You all belajar so far part 5. Dah banyak dah yang you courses yang you ambil something to do with technology kan? Apa lagi? Network ni something to do with connectivity. Connectivity, yang ni something to do with mobility. Yang ni something to do with development. Ini something to do with collaboration. Yang ni something to do with efficiency. Apa lagi? Something to do with innovation. Apa? What kind of technology that can help innovation? Apa dia? Technology that can help a good accurate decision making. Teknologi apa? That improve decision making, improve prediction.
Machine learning and AI.
Yeah, you need machine learning and AI.
Also, I added that answer in the chat as well with
Okay.
some description. Right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, here. So Kamaru kata technology driver, the existence of machine learning and AI due to the rapid development of machine learning and artificial intelligence, more business owners are migrating to an online platform such as e-commerce website. This is due to the robust machine learning model being able to recommend. Okay, good. Recommendation. Ini yang saya nak cari sebenarnya ya. Recommendation applications. It's been useful in all different kinds of industry ya. recommendations ni ya. And then when a business requires a specific solution which is provided by an existing API, they can simply subscribe or make a one-time payment with the API owner to receive the API key in order for the system to make an authorized connection. Ni saya baca dah ke bawah dah, sorry Yang ni atas. Yang kedua adalah API. Yes, API, the integration. Tadi dalam business tadi pun we are talking about integration. So integration technology are also needed untuk integration drivers yang kita nampak dalam business tadi itulah ya. So for you to integrate processes between two industry, two companies, two players in the dalam segmen yang sama, you need integration technology and to do that, of course, it will require to know about the API lah. Okay, saya terletak ke bawah ni. Okay. Amirul kata autonomous technology. Ya, betul. Yang ni ada inting sekarang ada inting autonomous di IoT ya. Marina kata IoT betul. API. And we are talking about storage technology sekarang bukan sekadar database Oracle biasa-biasa sahaja. We are talking about data mining, warehousing kan.
Cloud storage.
Yes, cloud. So saya kata kalau yang technology driver ni saya tak risau because you all can come up with a very good ones sini ni very simple punya listing yang dia letak. Right? Cloud services if you're talking about storage ni termasuklah cloud services. In fact cloud services you can talk about software as a services as well kan. So sekarang businesses they rely on this a lot. They don't want to own the information system. They want the information system to be provided by a vendor instead, so that they can cut costs. They can simplify processes for them so somebody would take care of the application for them that's actually the reason. So you boleh karang banyak lagi lah I'm not going to ask you to submit this sebab kita dah bincang, but I hope that for those who have not done this tutorial yet probably you can recollect some of the points that we have put dalam ni lah. But I would encourage you to at least prepare this for your own keep, maksud saya So nanti bila you nak buat revision, you can go through balik the questions and then to have the answers as well Kalau buat revision tengok soalan saja tak ada jawapan, bolehlah masa tu lah you kena cari nanti. So sekarang kita dah bincang, saya dah list down here. Please prepare your own notes lah, soalan dan jawapan, and keep it to yourself. I do not require you to submit to me lah, bukan untuk buat assessment. Okay, and the last one daripada Iqbal, optimization technology. Yes, this is also optimization memang dah lama, but sekarang optimization is becoming better because of the advancements of the machine learning optimization. Optimization ni area ni dah lama, daripada dulu memang ada pasal optimization, but different technology punya era tu actually helpful to push the efficiency ataupun the accuracy of the optimization lah. Right, that's all Sebenarnya banyak lagi kalau saya nak suruh bagi masa lagi ni, lagi banyak yang saya kena conteng kat sini. Ada soalan terakhir that if anyone have any question and would like to ask before we tutup sesi.
No questions from me. Thank you.
You're welcome. So let me take attendance kejap Take attendance. Kenapa tak keluar pula attendance ni? Okay, saya tak sure sama ada dia dah ambil attendance ke belum. Saya ada plug in attendance supposedly, but macam tak keluar pula. If in case I cannot make do of the attendance tu, I would pass you the Google form, and then you all isilah siapa yang datang hari ni, isi Google form. Right, so sampai sini saja. Thank you for your attendance, and I hope for those who are not able to join us because of the technicalities and internet connectivity, you'll be able to view this recording and helpful for you to answer tutorial question. Okay, with that we end the class with tasbih kifarah and surah Al-As. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Have a nice day.
Okay, salam, fine. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Yeah, take care everyone. Okay, welcome.
Thank you, Doktor.
Yeah, sama.
내가 믿는 걸 너도 믿고 있지